the Ottoman state, then Israel was established with United Nations support and with a very idealistic vision. The reality, however, has been continuing conflict. There are numerous conflicts in the Middle East which would take place anyway if Israel had never existed. But quite frankly, it is much harder to find solutions to those problems given the complications that stem from the Arab-Israel conflict. Arab governments have been all too ready, time and time again, to excuse their failures by pointing to Israel. At the same time, the absence of a just settlement for Palestinians and the results of Israeli expansion since 1967 and their occupation of lands in which, in the very near future, Jews will be a minority, if they're not already a minority. The complications of this situation have made it harder and harder to envisage a secure and stable situation for Israel, and it's made it impossible to conceive of a life of dignity for the Palestinians. Jerusalem should be a city of peace for Muslims, Christians, and Jews, but what we see instead is the demolition of homes, the erection of barriers, often barriers between people from the same village, and the splintering of neighborhoods. Now, President Obama clearly wants to avoid the mistake of almost all U.S. presidents